tungod sa kalamit kay grabe.
Ikaw bro, kumusta ang pagkaon?
Kay bao na mo kung anong nahurot kay ang nag-hold karon kay
Hello, grabe!
joke na guys ha.
So guys, we are here at 25th Lane Cafe and we're gonna be tasting some of their foods. And nakikita tao doon sa likod guys, like they're so excited to taste. Kanay may nag-taste silang coffee. Oh shit! Muna guys, ako mong kay Imnan. And so, current guys, is na sila. Naman mga models guys. Say hi sa vlog.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want.
Hi guys. Pa-shout out ko ni Vince.
So excited na may mga an guys. Mo Tilora day. Tilora man to. Breakfast. For today's menu is breakfast. So let's go.
You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah.
Let you down.
We have here some java rice. Some egg. Yeah.
Sarap guys.
Hi guys. Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog char. Unta diri guys ha para sulit. Diba? Palupat lang.
Bacon. 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 Alat bacon. Coffee. Coffee cheesecake.
I really love the fish, man.
Be honest.
The fish is so good. Yeah, ako ang katender sa tocino.
Di ba halata?
Di halata. No. Dili halata.
Halata, no? Halata.
Actually, kini bago pa ni siya. 2 minutes na. Visitor.
Or please go just yes. Bensoysorila.
Yeah.
Okay na din.
What we have here?
Yan na lang.
Ano siya na ba mas hotdog or ham?
Ham. Distributor kami ng hotdog eh.
Kami ng hotdog.
Distributor ng hotdog eh. Wow.
Lami kaya mo na ako sa sabi.
Kung kayo pag-bawit na ba yung soda, water.
Ato, sis Jiwa pa naman.
Okay guys, we're almost halfway there and namingon na sila guys and daghan na natilawan na food. And now ang gihatag naman guys is a pasta which is carbonara pasta. Bacon, and the other one is sausage. So we're still waiting for the others, no? Na maabot and grabe busog kami guys. Woo! Coffee, soda, chicken, and also CJ.
Hello guys! So, the best kid guys ang unsay tawag diri, sir? 25th lane?
Dili.
Ano to? the best yun kaya dili guys, recommended yun kayo kung if you want a place na lindot, cafe na lindot, suggest na ako diri.
So si CJ guys nga po ang B-roll videographer and ang ato pinakagwapo nga kauban guys.
Oshi! Sign of the pogi! Busog na. Di ba to taste? Mukbang. Yeah, mukbang.
Ano sila guys we're still waiting. Daghang pag maabot guys.
Grabe, wala jay nasayang sa pagka-on-road ginamot tanan tungod sa kalamit kay grabe.
Ikaw bro, kumusta
Kay
ka?
bao na mo kung anong nahurot kay ang nag-hold ka ron kayo.
Hello girl!
Joke na guys ha.
Happy faces, busog na.
Actually, kami yan iod to guys.
Hindi, actually, wala mo.
Wapasad mo. Actually,
Hi everyone, I'm inviting you all on our opening day, July 18, 2022, this coming Monday. See you! Bye!
the best.
Bye-bye guys.
Bye!
So good to see you again. Bye.
Ikaw muna ba ka?
Bye show.
Ay, tapos ko na.
Bye show.
See you the soonest. Bye, kids.
Sir, thank you tayo. Bye.